Do you like chocolate? Do you like milkshakes? Do you want to be healthy? Sometimes. Then this recipe's for you. So I often like a smoothie shake right after the gym with bananas and my protein powder. And the other day when I didn't have any bananas, I was a little bummed, but I did have whole frozen cherries. And I'm a sucker for a chocolate covered cherry. So here's a new shake idea. Hope you try it out. So about a cup of whole pitted cherries, whatever kind of milk you like, chocolate protein powder, or if you have like an instant chocolate breakfast. I also like a little bit of chia or flax seed. That's up to you. And then because this isn't always about health, I think you need a little something extra. So I put in just about 4 or 5 dark chocolate baking pieces. Maybe 4 today in. And blend it up. Oh, and thanks to my mother for this smoothie size blender. It's awesome. Thick, delicious, and little bits of chocolate here and there. So good. Let's have a little look-see before I drink this all up. Oh, so refreshing. I think we need to finish this outside. Oh, how'd those fall out? Yum. Oh, chocolate cherry smoothie shake. Hope you try it out.